Okay. I'm gonna pull down on your hips, or excuse me, I'm gonna pull down on your ankle in this direction like that, okay?